guys, I'm ready for my school. It's just 30. I'm in 11:30 start of school. Okay, it's my exam. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Face mask. Wait, wait a little. Oh my god. My face mask. Bakit? Naggagawa ko ng video. Magsusot ako ng face mask if I have a burger. Ay, di ka kaya. Maybe. My sister over there is... Wait. La 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 la. I will put my socks. Wala. Ito lang. I don't want to use the mesa. Ay, mesa. Upuan. I need to show. Baliktad ba to? Hindi ka payas yung... Wala, 29 na. Diba, wag ka na magpagganda. Diba, wag ka na magpaganda, wag ka na mag-makeup. Hindi mo kailangan ang makeup. You need a plastic shirt. You need to see a doctor. Oh no. Ano? Pangilan. Ay, sapatos.
Ay! Akin ta!
Ay!
Gagamitin ko! Ayaw! Ilang beses mo na sinabi pa!
Natatawa ako, nakita ko sa YouTube. Yung nag-away kayo nagtabit. Party si coming soon kasi is full ba?